I get up here to quarantine. 他们每天这个棚子这边会送饭给你吃，放在这个盆子里面。你看大家都是隔离，垃圾丢在这边。吃的就这样啊，这种快餐应该是这个，好像我吃不来。2 weeks, that definitely sucked. I don't want to do that again. But yeah, they checked my temperature back there. Yeah, I did 3 different coronavirus tests over the course of 2 days, and they all came back negative, so I'm able to be released. Finally get to see the sky. Today is a holiday. This weekend we'll be off. You normally work on the weekend. We'll get back to the factories and suppliers as soon as possible. Yeah, bring it back on Monday. So today is the first day back on the job. Looks like things are getting back to normal here. Well, yeah, I'm in a cab now. Everybody has to wear masks. The driver has a mask. So today is the second day. I'm out doing just a couple runs, verify the overall performance meets our expectation. It's raw right now. The software is not tuned very well. So all I can do is basically use the throttle. Just gives me an idea of the envelope of the performance that it has. Due to the virus, we ended up being about a couple months behind for working on this electronic system. Now we just got to catch up. The parts have been ordered, so we kind of ordered before we finish the software. You know, hopefully we have the software done by the time the hardware comes in. But that's the only way we can do it at this moment. Otherwise, you run into big delays. There's always risk doing that. Special situation where we just did not have enough time and we really want to optimize to getting these bikes shipped out. So I'm gonna go for a ride down this road, just get an overall idea of the performance. So far the performance is pretty good. You can do around 30. Right at 30 miles an hour level ground, off the charger, 30 pounds in the tires. So there's no tuning anything. This is just base software right now. So no tuning. We'll do that tomorrow. So this is one of my favorite rides. Got water on the inside, nice winding roads, not a lot of cars, and it's all climbing, so it's a good chance to look at the climbing performance of the bike. Here I can look at voltage, watts, amps, and monitor in the speed. I can monitor how the bike is performing. So when we go down and work with engineers, can explain to them what we're feeling, you know, in numbers. They can adjust those numbers. Know where you see. So just a quick update on the assembly side. Got the next batch of standard Scorpions getting ready to be produced, and the pre-assembly handlebar and all that stuff is getting made over here. Level ground. So just a quick update on the standard Scorpions. The second batch we started already, and we should have these ready to go by about mid-month. First off, when you turn the system on, you get the daytime running light, kind of a halo light that's on the outside. And here you have the headlights, so you can turn the headlight on here, and then that will turn on the bright lights. So these 4 lights here will be illuminated, and that's super bright. So you can control the lights independently. You also have the turn signals here. You also have a USB port here, so you can charge your devices up to 1 amp. And you have the brake lights, which work like that. And you also have a horn. But that pretty much wraps up a fairly productive week. It's a lot more productive than being locked up in a room, all day long. At least out here I can get a lot of work done as far as getting your hands on the hardware. Some things are just very, very hard to do over Zoom. Actually touching it, feeling it, riding it, you can really make the right decisions as far as the product. I'm heading back now. I'm gonna grab some dinner. Riding on the HyperScorpion. Trying to take every opportunity I can get to ride more and more. Get a feel for the bike and what we can do to improve it. So I'll try to get more updates next week and keep everybody filled in on what's going on with the bikes. So see you later.